My room used to be boring, dull, no vibe, no atmosphere, just a plain setup with zero personality. Then I made one simple upgrade, and that changed everything. Now, it feels like a full on gaming room. I actually enjoy being in my room and making more content now with this simple upgrade. Come watch how I did it. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, thanks for tuning into Minimal Mods, where we keep everything here clean and efficient. In today's video, I will be installing these reactive RGB LED light strips behind my monitor. These sync to any color that's on my screen, and it seriously leveled up my workspace. I'll walk you through everything from the unboxing to the install and show you what they look like in action. Let's get to it. Alright, we're doing a quick unboxing, simple and straight to the point. First up, you've got your instruction manual. Then here's the RGB light strip itself, which I'm pulling out now. The brand is Sky Demo. And along with the strip, you'll also get a few accessories to help mount it behind your monitor. These are budget-friendly lights, around $15 on Amazon when I had bought them. I'll make sure to drop the link in the description and comments if you are interested. Now, I'm just going to be adding the adhesive to the clamps, then I'll attach the clamps to the LED strip itself. This setup makes it easy to remove the strip later without it being permanently stuck, only the clamps and mount stay on the monitor. Before you start, make sure to clean the back of your monitor with some rubbing alcohol. Anytime you're working with adhesives, a clean surface is key. From here, it's super simple, just peel the backing off and stick the LED strips onto the monitor. There's no need for exact measurements, it's a straightforward install. Alright, so if we plug in the power cable here, quick note, that power cable was for the monitor, not the LED strip. The strip gets powered through a USB right behind the screen. We can see that they do in fact turn on. So we have to download the software and then we'll get them working. Alright, so software is pretty simple to install. We're just gonna Google Sky Demo. First link is gonna pop up. We will just click that, give it a few seconds, and if you have Windows 8 or above, we're gonna click the Americas, open file. Install for all users. If you have multiple accounts, the lights will work for all of them. And we are basically good to go. Alright, so that's good. I'm just gonna go ahead and open the application. And as we can see here, both of the lights from both monitors are connected, and then from here we can basically choose how it's installed: left to right, right to left, from top to bottom. So ours is left to right, from bottom to top. And we're just gonna put screen sync, so whatever color is on the screen, it will sync to that. And you could play around with the modes, so a lot of different settings. Alright, now even with the lights off, you can see that there's not much of a glow. The setup feels pretty plain, but after the LED install, it's a completely different vibe. It really transforms the whole atmosphere of the space. Alright, so I'm presenting a quick demonstration. I'm showing how these LEDs react in real time to the colors on the screen. I've got a video playing right now with a bunch of fluid shifting colors, and as you can see, the LEDs are perfectly syncing up with each one. This is especially great for movies with vibrant visuals like Star Wars or basically any animated film. It also looks amazing in shooter games, story-driven titles, or anything with wild dynamic colors. Basically, if it's colorful, this setup makes it pop and come to life. Alright, so that does it for the LED light strip install. Super simple, but it makes a huge difference to the setup and the atmosphere. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to subscribe. I got a bunch more smart room upgrades and DIY projects on the way. If you want to see short versions of these as well, please follow my Instagram and TikTok at Minimal Mods. Thanks everyone, and see you again in the next video.